Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can activate your new Barclay card. So here, I'm currently at their official website, so I will just paste the link on the screen so you guys can also check this out. So from here, we have this step-by-step tutorial on how you can activate your Barclay card. So if you have a Barclay card, you can click on this one, just like that. So you can activate in their application. So if you've already got the Barclay card or the Barclay application, you can use either to activate your card and manage your account. Then you just have to log in and select your Barclay card from the application homepage. And from there, you can just see an activate button, and then you just have to click on that one. And maybe there are steps that you can do right after clicking the activate button. Now you can also activate an online servicing, so you can log in and activate your card. So you just have to click on this link right here. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!